So in this video, I wanted to talk about the crochet hook. Here you've got the head of the hook, and then the neck, and the body of the hook. The last part is the handle. The handle has a thumb rest on it, and that's going to help you decide, or that's where you just rest your thumb when you're holding it, no matter how you're holding it. There are two main ways to hold it. Hey, baby. Did you find me? Yay. Okay, so you've got the knife grip and then the pencil grip where you put your hand underneath the hook. And then you can do any variation of it. So just whichever way works best for you. There's really not many right ways to do it, but if you ever hear somebody talk about these certain parts, at least now you know where they are. Have fun. Happy hooking. Hey, baby.